Rudolph Speid, technical director, Cavalier.
Coach, a hard-fought game here coming from behind. Also, we know you had to approach the game apparently because of what you have from him. Tell us about today's game.
Well, I've never seen any referee next in a technical play. I mean, the goalkeeper passed the ball, the man kick it down to him offside, lines up, put him in flat, and wave the off. Give a man a yellow card, he send off the player who get hurt, and the man get a yellow card. I mean, this is just ridiculous. Not to talk about the two penalty shouts and all those things, which we keep on not getting those cards, right through here. We go overseas, we don't get them. We there at Jamaica, we don't get them. This is that way. But I mean, Waterhouse, I think they fought well. As you know, we had to start with some other players today. Because I to give the players a rest. We went down, but I thought I'd cover the way to come back. Probably should have won.
Looking at the game, defensive attacking midfield, and do you especially think probably you could have corrected to have gotten a victory today?
There's always something that we can correct. That's the nature of the game. And there's always something I probably did wrong. But, coming here to play against Waterhouse is always going to be a hard match. I thought maybe our mind is somewhere else, so we're grateful for that.
Coach, we saw Adrian Reid go down. Can you tell us about his injury?
He said he felt something pop in his knee. I'm not sure what it is. We'll have to take him tomorrow. And we'll have to go tomorrow to assess him and we'll see if he's good enough on Thursday.
Okay, Coach, looking at the big game. You went over, you lost 2-0. Coming Thursday, you have the game against Inter Miami. Anything specific you look to try and do or to correct? Or any player problem you might have going into the game? And I'm sure you're looking for a bit trying to
No, I haven't watched the game yet. I'm going to watch it later tomorrow. So as soon as I rewatch it, it will give me a good idea of what we need to do to take the final deficit. One thing we know, our job is very easy. Stop Inter Miami from score and score 3 goals. So we can set up the team a little bit different for that to happen, and that's what we're going to do.
Easy,
That was easy.
You said that your job is easy.
Yeah, I don't know if it can work, but I'm going to have a plan.
Looking at it, probably the uncertainty about Lionel Messi, you are closer to the game. Anything you can update us about what you think is happening here behind closed door?
No. The team is Inter, man. I think it's disrespectful for the other to say the team is not a team. We don't, and there's just one player missing. So I know he's regarded as a really good player, probably one of the greatest ever. But at the same time, we also had a plan if he was playing, and we still have a plan. If he plays, we have a plan.
Coach, referencing Thursday, you're 2-0 down. Do you feel like this kind of take the pressure off your team? So you expect them to play with like they have nothing to lose?
Well, my team never really think to play with a lot of pressure. Of course, we have everything to lose, like lose the tie. So no, we're not approaching like that. We're going to make sure we're resolute in defense just like we were and try and get that first goal. If we're able to get that first goal, we just do it one objective at a time. I think in business, that is what we're trying.
Coach, a lot of Jamaican fans said that Cavalier was really hard done by when you played in Miami. Those scores just seem to go against you. What are your thoughts on that?
I mean, everything the VAR called that we have experience playing overseas, when they use VAR, it's always done again. It is not new that the Jamaica. I think once you just throw away VAR, that doesn't make sense in anything. I think I should throw it away. I think the game then will be more fair. The referee probably could make some mistakes, but it probably make it on both sides. But in this region, once you go to VAR, it's against us. That's what I'm experiencing. When I'm taking change, that's what I'm seeing.
Coach, you play in black and white. This is a big game. What color you love the fans to really turn out in to really give you the right support? You want the national color or you want the black color? You have a problem there. Tell us.
No, I play in white and black. So, fans, just promoting any color you want to hear. I believe in democracy. Just make sure you cheer first. If you want to cheer first, I know some people like Lionel Messi. That's fine too. Just promote, buy your tickets, I'm still at the stadium and I'm happy. Trust me, this tie is not over. We're not going there to just ride in. We're going to be able to play for the result today.
Yes, okay. But the general perception of the five teams who have seen we're gonna be the perception of Cavalier and
But if you look at Cavalier history, I mean, Caribbean Cup, they say we need to come out of the zone. We won. Right? If you look at England in the finals, people thought when we go back, what would happen to us? Last year Premier League final, same thing, we went under the 6-1. Cavalier tried in this adversity. I am not even worried about what is happening in the league. I thought that we would have lost about 15 times if we got all the right calls. So some people think we're doing bad. No. If you just add back those points based on the call, we'd have probably have 15, 20 more points. So I'm not worried. At the business then, you'll see what Cavalier is doing.
Coach, just to add a few look at your achievements over the league in Jamaica, Premier League, Junior Team, and we're always looking at the rugby boy. Do you think who should be the coach of the rugby boy?
Well, if you want to add that, we'll beat Tottenham Hotspur in Cayman as an under 15 team. We'll beat us as soon as that when we go to the cup. We'll beat some teams that play in La Liga. And it's not just here in this region alone. I would have beaten some good teams. We met the final, the B final in the Zotia Cup. So, I mean, people can decide what they want to think. My journey is not finished. I don't know where it's going. God bless you.